Weather they're going to have? Well, they're going to have weather fit for Santa. Santa is probably saying, I'm glad it is not 70 and 80 degrees in December, which we've had warmer Decembers before.
Oh, yeah, certainly. We've had warmer. But yeah, we have that nice snowfall, fresh snowfall. It always makes the Christmas lights look a little bit more festive.
Everywhere you looked was a postcard.
Yeah.
You could mail many of the scenes we saw today.
Yeah, Winter Wonderland. This one I got a chuckle out of. This one was sent in by Laura McCrary, and she said, this is how we measure snowfall in Kentucky with a Maker's Mark bottle there in the snow. This is from Worthington Place in eastern Jefferson County. A reminder, we would love to see your weather photos and videos. Many different ways you can send them our direction. They may be featured. Here, let me go forward in the slide here. They may be featured, of course, on our newscast or on our weekly weather streaming show, Weather or Not. You can text them to us at 502-582-7290. But let's take a look at some of those snowfall reports from today. The bulk of the Louisville Metro picked up anywhere between 3 to 4 inches of snowfall today. So we really fell in line with the greatest amount of moisture and also that cold air creating some really impressive bands of 1 to 2 inches of snowfall per hour. This was primarily between about 1 a.m. and 5 a.m. overnight, once we did finally see that changeover to snow from that wintry mix. Some lower amounts still impressive, 2.5 inches in Sellersburg, Vine Grove, similar case there, Shepherdsville, a little over 2 inches, saw about an inch or so in Bardstown. So really those totals did drop off the farther south that you do go. E-Town about 1.5 inches, obviously Campbellsville, less than an inch of snowfall there. Now we are, of course, seeing that snow wrap up, but we are feeling that chill. As we mentioned, the road crews have been hard at work, and really the roads do look fantastic, but you do want to pay attention to the threat of some refreezing in some spots overnight, especially on those side or neighborhood roads, and also might need to scrape your car in the morning if we do get some of that fog to form, because there's a lot of moisture out there with the fresh snowpack, and these temperatures, they will continue to fall down into the teens and lower 20s. And that's where our dew point is right now. Wind speeds are light, so when you get all that together, if we get a little bit of breaks in the cloud cover here, that can allow some patchy freezing fog to form by tomorrow morning. Regardless, it's going to be very cold to start off the day tomorrow in the teens and lower 20s. We should see a little bit of break in that cloud cover and fog for the afternoon with highs in the 30s. And then by tomorrow night, our northernmost counties in southern Indiana could get maybe a trace or dusting of snowfall there before that front moves through and we see more sunshine for Thursday. Then we're watching another system. This looks to stay primarily to our south Friday morning. Could clip our southernmost counties Friday morning with maybe a light wintry mix. Minimal impacts expected there. Really the biggest impact is that temperatures are staying cold through this 7-day forecast here. Expect those highs in the 30s with overnight lows in the 20s or even teens.